In today's video, I am going to teach you how to combine PDFs into one in Adobe Acrobat updated interface. If you are working with multiple documents and want a single tidy PDF, this walkthrough will show you the exact steps in the latest Acrobat layout, with clear tips along the way. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your desktop. Once it's up, head to the Tools tab. In the updated interface, you'll also find an All Tools menu. From there, select Combine or Combine Files. Both paths take you to the same workspace designed specifically for merging documents. Now it's time to add your content. Click the Add Files button to browse your computer and bring in what you need. You are not limited to PDFs. You can include images and other common document types, and Acrobat will convert them during the merge. If it's quicker for you, you can simply drag and drop files straight into the window. Don't worry too much about the order yet. You'll fine-tune that next. Before combining, arrange everything exactly how you want it. You'll see thumbnails for each file. To reorder entire files, just drag a thumbnail left or right until it's in the right place. Need to go deeper? Click the small expand arrow on a file's thumbnail to reveal its individual pages. From there, you can drag specific pages to reorder them within that file or position them between pages from other files. If you spot something that doesn't belong, select the file or page and delete it to keep the final document clean and focused. When your order looks correct and you've removed anything unnecessary, click the Combine button. Acrobat will merge all selected content into a single, continuous PDF, depending on the number and size of your files. This can take a moment. Just let it finish so everything processes properly. Finally, save your new merged document. Go to File, then choose Save or Save As. Pick a meaningful file name and choose a folder you'll remember. Saving with Save As can be helpful if you want to keep your original files untouched and store the combined version separately. After saving, it's a good idea to scroll through a few pages to confirm the order, especially if you moved individual pages around during the setup. And that's it. Thanks for watching.